Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're planning a trip in 2025, you know how crucial it is to handle check-ins smoothly, especially with the latest updates to the Expedia app. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to check in using the Expedia app. Whether you're checking into a hotel, flight, or even a rental car, this process is designed to be fast and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Expedia app installed on your smartphone. If it's not up to date, head to your app store and download the 2025 version. It's packed with AI-powered features that make everything easier. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your account details. If you're new, sign up quickly, it only takes a minute. Now, navigate to the My Trips section at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your bookings are stored. Scroll through or search for the specific trip you want to check in for. Once you find it, tap on the booking details. Look for the Check-in button. It's usually highlighted in blue for easy spotting. Next, the app will prompt you to verify your identity. In 2025, this might include facial recognition or a quick QR code scan, depending on your booking type. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. For hotel check-ins, you'll upload any required documents like your ID or vaccination proof. For flights, it could involve selecting your seat or baggage options. After verification, review your check-in details to make sure everything's correct. Hit the Confirm button, and voila, you're all set. You'll get a digital confirmation sent to your email and app notifications. Pro tip: always do this at least 24 hours before your trip to avoid any last-minute issues, and ensure you have a stable internet connection. There you have it, folks. Checking in with the Expedia app is super straightforward and saves you tons of time at the airport or hotel. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Safe travels in 2025. See you next time.